Hello guys. This week I was not able to record a video, so I was quite busy. So gonna make a full analysis of what I did in this last week, and it was quite good for me. And I'm gonna tell you the logic why I entered the trade. I take a two trade on last week, and the first one was a New Zealand dollar. Sorry, GBP and ZT. On a monthly time frame, you can see it's pretty bullish. Like we can see, it's pretty bullish. It's going up slowly, and in a weekly time frame, it's also going bullish. And we have a one weekly swing point here. You can see in a daily too, it's a swing point over here, which we can target this. In a lower, I went to the lower time frame. Before uh, this move, the daily swing one, the daily swing high was not clear. You can see the daily swing high was not being mitigated. Like it happened. It's just because of little few pips. It didn't go up and came down. Just it's missed by a few pips. So my target was to at least strip this high and continue lower or continue higher. Doesn't matter. Just my target was to at least cross this line. So I went to the hourly time frame. I went to the hourly time frame now. Before this move, just before this move, I see a one uh, hourly fair value gap over here. One hourly fair value gap, and just I enter in a trade of long position long after this creation of hourly fair value gap. So my risk was just below this low, and my target was 1:2, just below, and 1:2, and GPP and GTN. And after it didn't came retest my 1 hour fair value gap, and it just hit my target in one go. And you can see in my MT4 trader too. I'll show you. And history, econ history. Yep. Oh, that's great. Over here. See, GBP and NZT at GBP and NZT target hit into trade is $110 and $157 is around $316, and the brokerage was around it's supposed to be around $350, but the slip spread was around $35. I haven't took the 2% of risk over here because last week I lost around 5% of my capital. So in this trade I was risk around 1.75%. I minimized my risk and took the trade, and it was my profitable trade. So around $316, and this you can see euro AUD is minus $120. This was from the last week. I hold till this week. So eventually I got this in loss. So this was from the not from the this week, the last week before. So I don't consider this as a trade because I haven't took this trade. So you can see I'm only GBP and GSD I trade, and it turned into profit. And the second trade I took was, and I removed this one, and second trade I took was for euro CAD. So I removed this one, and same goes to the monthly time frame. Monthly you can see some pure bullish going uptrend. Weekly is also going if monthly is bullish, we can see weekly and daily slowly is going up. Slowly is going up. Before this when I take the trade was, I'll see was I haven't checked the date, but I'll see this was my target, and this swing high was my target because I took trade on Wednesday. Wednesday, and my target hit on Thursday. Okay. I went to the hourly time frame. Before that, I went to 4-hour time frame. Was going super bullish over here. See, you can see it didn't hit the low of this. It didn't hit the this target, but I didn't do the trade on this low because this was initially this is my trading plan. The daily swing point will be the my target. What didn't hit, but I didn't take the trade on this one, so I can maybe I missed the trade, so that's good for me. You can see in the daily what is a pure bullish, and the tar is going up, but it didn't hit sweep the liquidity. It still is going up in a 4-hour time frame. You can see this one for bearish for fair value gap over here, and it had been disrespected by this big candle, and following up with another green candle, and following up with another green candle, and it's still and the target was very close. It's very close to the target. It's around just a 51 pips away, so it's still going up. I took a trade over here. I went to the 1 hour time frame. I went to the 1 hour time frame here, and I took a long position in this big candle, in the formation of this expansion phase candle. So my just risk was around just this one over here. Yes, it's the same risk, and my target was 1:2. Yes, I took a trade, and it went up a little bit, and it came back down, and eventually it hit my target. And it's a beautiful thing you can see here. It went up and it came down until here. Yeah, I will show you why it came down here. This why is the catch. Is why it came down here. When you see the one time frame, you can't see anything over here. But when you see the 4-hour time frame, you can see there is a 4-hour fair value gap over here. You can see the tiny 4-hour fair value gap. See, just it's going and went up, and became a down candle, and it came to the 4-hour fair value gap, and it went up and hit my target. This was a beautiful trade. I was a little bit concerned why it came down, but when I see the 4-hour fair value gap, after that I thought it's gonna come to test the 4-hour fair value gap. Just my target stop loss was just below this one, and my target was 1:2. I'll show you the MT4 trader. See, you can see Eurocat, it hit my target, and this one I caught manually, and you can see the Eurocat. I lost 90 around $20. I'll show you why I lost the $20, because when it was going up in a 15-minute time frame. I add a little bit quantity over here. Sorry, I when it sorry, not here, over here. I add a little bit quantity over here. After it went up, I add a quantity, and my server was just below this swing high, swing low, sorry, and it hit my target over here on this small lot. It's not 0.15 lot. So eventually it hit my stop loss of $20. And after that, again it came to the 4-hour fair value gap and take a rejection, and came to the same level again. So I take a re-entry. I add up my quantity again with 0.5 lot. So this is a normal size. This is a normal quantity, 0.5 and 0.28. This hit my target, and this 0.15 was the and this is I catch this one little bit below over here, and I caught up around here is almost 1:3 ratio, but eventually I'm gonna hit my target a lot. But as I want to exit at 1:2, and that's my ideally trading plan. So this week was a good day for me, a good week for me. and it covered all my losses from previous week. Was around 500 and this week I make a profit around 500 almost $600 uh, excluding all the split. So you can see the my now total profit loss is 107 now. You can see my history, my total. You can see the total equity is now 10,084. Last time when I showed you the video was around 9,000. I don't remember actually 9,400 something like that. I don't remember. But today because of this two winning trade, my balance is again now $10,000. Now I am plus $84.97 in week 2. So I hope this week the next coming week also goes as same. See the last retracement on Friday. It's a huge. That's it for this one. I just take a two trade on GBP and GT, and you will get and both were the winner. So that's it. That's the update from my side. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a nice day.